Welcome to the Alpine region. The Alps are a testament to the enduring power and beauty of nature. They are shared among 7 countries, home to 80 million people, with some of the most dynamic economies in Europe. Slovenia is one of them and has been presiding over the EU strategy for the Alpine region this year. During its presidency, Slovenia led the process of evolvement of the strategy to ensure a sustainable future for the Alpine region. To secure a prosperous future for the generations to come, the Alpine region needs to become more resilient to the increasing threat of extreme weather events. With the concept of a smart water society, the Slovenian EUSALP presidency promoted sustainable water management and climate adaptation measures in all discussions. Finally, the sustainable development of the Alpine region depends on our ability to transition towards a green and circular economy. Slovenia took the lead in making the circular economy one of the key priorities of the EU strategy for the Alpine region. One of the most important challenges facing the rapidly changing society of the Alpine region is the investment in the younger generation. They contribute to decision-making processes that affect their lives in the Alpine region. The Slovenian EUSALP presidency worked with the EUSALP Youth Council and beyond to ensure that young people have their say on the quality of life in the Alps. A sustainable future of the Alpine region requires close cooperation and the clear focus of us all. This year, we made an important step towards a circular and smart Alpine region.